Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I'm going to show you how to make this exact landing page. The landing page I'm making today is built with the Divi theme. I'm not going to go over all the features of the Divi theme, but there's one feature that you should know about. The import-export feature, which allows you to export and upload pre-built layouts into any website that has the Divi theme installed, meaning that you can upload this layout and use it over and over again with just a couple of clicks. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Oh, and one more thing, I wanted to let new Divi users know about an exclusive free bonus you get when you get the Divi theme through my affiliate link. The bonus items include over 100 landing page layouts, a complete funnel, and guide to setting up an automated online system. Get the full details at divibonus.com. There's a link in the description. Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I'm going to show you how to build a landing page with a countdown timer on it right now. So I've already got a new page going in Divi Builder. I guess I'm doing build from scratch. I'm going to new row, and then I'm going to text. Alright, then we just put some text in there. Go check. And I've got my template set to blank page, and you just go to publish. Then let's go to view page. Then we'll go to enable visual builder. Alright, so once we have it here, let's kind of see. We're just going to make it's going to be like a countdown page, almost like an under construction page. So what we can do is, I'm going to switch this setting to, I'm going to change the background color to black, I think, or a blackish color. Alright, that dark gray. Now I'm going to roll over my text module here and go to the settings and go to design and text. And I'm going to switch it to white. Actually, I'm going to make this orange, I think. We'll go white. And then let's make it up. It's going to be a big headline right here. Just make it up kind of big. Let's go in the center. And then if we go down to the font weight and go to ultra bold there. Alright, maybe make it just a tad bit bigger. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to another text module. Alright, then we just enter our text right there. And design, text, and white. And then what we're going to do is just center this text. Alright. And that looks fine for the spacing right there. I don't have any issues with that right now. Actually, let me just pull the spacing up a little bit. Design and spacing on the bottom. Just go 0 and 0. And then just put in whatever spacing you'd like. I'm just going to go 16, I think. Let's go 24. There we go. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we'll do some more text. And it will be white. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add a new row, and it's going to be like this. And it's going to be image. I'm just going to put a picture there. Alright, and then design and border. Just put a little border. And then let's make it round. Alright. And I'm just going to throw this text in here. I'm going to go back to the column and make it a little bit thinner. And now let's just increase the spacing on this text. So go to text and line height. Alright, and then I always like to put my name. Oh yeah, and let's do this as well. I like to put a little quote. Just like a little personal message here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another row. And it's going to be the countdown timer. So let me count down. Alright, and then let's go to okay, we just put a little title there. What we're going to do is we're going to go to design and actually content and background. Take out that background. Okay, we'll go to design. If you scroll the little paintbrush, it'll let you edit stuff like this. So edit that. And for the numbers font weight, we'll go to bold, ultra bold. Okay, and let's see, maybe the title, I want the title to be a little bit different font too. Ultra bold, let's see, orange with a shadow on it. All right, and then let's increase that size as well. Okay. And now let's see what we want to do here. Let's add an email opt-in box. Alright, what we're going to do is let's take off that background there. Take that sucker off. And then, you know what, I don't want the text there. But I will take this. Okay, yeah. Okay. And now let's go to design and layout, and we're going to do the body on top. Okay, and then we're going to go to, it's asking if you want full width or not. We can do it like that, that's fine. And then let's go to this text, make it a little bit bigger. Alright, and let's center it. I'm just going to go to semi-bold text there. And then let's change this button color to a custom style. Do, oh, not the text color. Do green for the background. Okay, and then for the weight, I'm going to go ultra bold, and I'm going to make it all caps. And then for the button, I'm just going to go reserve your spot now. This could be like a webinar thing too. I mean, I don't know, it's just a landing page really. All right, and then, you know, that little quote's good for, you know, like a little testimonial thing or something right there. Now for this, I'm going to, well, let's decrease the spacing here. All right, and then for the sizing, design and sizing, let's make it down a little bit, take it down. All right. All right, that looks good. And there's a little bit too much spacing right here. So on the top, just go 0 and 0. All right, and then we'll figure this out, 32. 32 looks good. And I think I'm gonna do 16. I don't know, it just bothered me. And I don't like stuff that bothers me like that, so we'll just do 16. So after you get something like this, what you could do is you can also add a date to it. So let me show you how to do that. It's something pretty cool. Let's go to text, and registration will close on, and then it'll be today's date. Now let me show you how to do that. Copy this and delete it. Okay, make sure you copy it. Then you want to come over here to this button, and you want to do current date. Okay, and you just go before, and so it says, oh, let's put the text on there. Registration will close on March 27th, 2020. Hey guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button, and I can keep bringing you more of these tutorials. Alright, which is today's date. So put that in the middle, and then let's put that up again, and we'll make it bold and orange with that little background. Alright, and then let's go to the spacing, and we'll space it out a little bit. The bottom is going to be 0, and the top is going to be 16. Alright, now with the numbers, you're going to want to check this on mobile and tablet to make sure that you see how those seconds are getting cut off there. You can just do this, hit the paintbrush there and go to text size on phone, and then just make it a little smaller. Alright, and then this right here, we'll go to the registration first and go to design, text, and the line height. Alright, you can just set that. That can be set globally, not on phone. It can be set for everywhere. So now we go back to the email option, go to design and sizing. So on the width, roll over and get to the phone, and then just make it 100%. If you want to change the button, you could just go to the button right there and the text size, the phone, lower down just a little bit to 18. Alright, and then this picture, I would just size this down a little bit. Alright, and then on phone, the line in the middle. Oh man, this one right here, you gotta do that too. Design, and let's go to text and line height. Alright, one thing I'm gonna do too is just add a little background to it. It really makes it pop on the gray. Alright, so there's our quick little landing page with a countdown. Again, you don't need to have the email box there. Hey guys, one other thing, you want to make sure you connect your email autoresponder to this. So if you just go to email opt-ins and go to settings and success action, you want to make sure it goes to a URL and you're redirecting them to the proper URL. So this is where you would use your affiliate link, and then for your autoresponder, you just go to your email account and then select your email provider. I use GetResponse myself, and I actually have a tutorial series on actually have a tutorial video on an autoresponder series, how to set that up and how to do that in GetResponse. So there is a free 30-day trial to GetResponse. Click the link below to check that out, and go ahead and check out the Divi bonus for the other stuff. Alright guys, but that's how you make a cool little landing page here. You want to make sure you save it. Guys, I'm actually giving this page away for free. Whenever you sign up to Divi under my affiliate link, I'm giving this page away and $100 as well. So go ahead and check out divibonus.com and you can get this this page for free. I'm including in the bonus area of Divi Planet. So check that out guys, and I hope you guys got some value out of this, and we'll see you on the other side.